Hey, it's Robert Bolgar here, and in this video, I'm going to go over creating a free giveaway to capture email addresses, to build a list. And since my site is pretty much done, I have basically set up the blog and my resources page, about page, but I haven't put any little sidebar widgets or any opt-in forms on here yet because I haven't thought about what I was going to give away free. And I was kind of thinking about it, and I figure I'll give these videos that I'm recording showing me setting up the site. I'll give away those for free. And I'm going to show you today how I plan on making the download page for the videos. So basically, someone will come to the site. It'll be like a little opt-in saying, whatever, watch over my shoulders. I create this website from scratch, name and email. And then when they enter their email address, it'll, take them to the like a download page, but it'll be a page to view these videos. And I'm going to create that right now with you watching. So I'm going to go, this is the WordPress dashboard. I'm on Pages, Add New. I'm going to enter a title. Let's see, website setup videos. Click Save Draft. And I'm going to scroll down here. I just remembered the page title. This is the, since I'm using Thrive themes, this is the Thrive theme options, and you can change basically whatever you want. I don't want the page title on there, and I don't want the breadcrumbs on there. Let's see, the others I can leave, but so let me just save that again. And now we'll edit with Thrive Content Builder. Okay, so notice it's just a blank page. It still leaves the title and everything, I mean the menu and the logo, because I want to keep it consistent with the site. I'm not building like a landing page or anything like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a content container up here. And I'm going to make it to where it's, we'll say just 900 wide. And I'm going to put a video in there. Let's see, responsive video. And this video is actually going to be the, I'm going to just add a video for right now. Let me go to YouTube and copy link, paste, that title bar. Okay, this is just kind of like a placeholder. It's not going to be the video. This video is going to be how to use, the download page. That's basically what's going to be there. I just wanted to see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to save changes. I always like to save the changes. It'll give a little pop-up down here in the left corner every 10 minutes if you haven't saved. Okay, so now under the video, we'll put another content container. Let me see, where's it at? Right here. Just going to drag it down here, drop it in there. I'm just going to leave that the full width. And I want to put, I guess I could put some sort of title there. I guess I could use that one, but let's see, title, or I'm going to put like a headline here. Headline. Just going to go H1, center it. I'm just putting this here because I'm going to change it as I go along. Now I want to add a, let's see, where was that? Page section. There we go. What that does, it shoots all the way across the page. And I might just leave it that color. Yeah, I'm going to leave it that color for now. Let me take this little text box out of it. I'm going to put a, I'm going to put some columns in there. That's what I was going to do. Column layout. And I want to put 4 next to each other. Okay, so these are my 4 columns, right? I'm going to add an image. Close that. Add media. And I already uploaded one of my pictures. It's like a little thumbnail of the video. Insert into post. Let me center it. You always want to center these. It doesn't really change it on here, but when someone looks at it on their phone, it totally changes because it'll be on their phone. It'll be off to the left or the right. Lifted style. Okay, good. And I'm going to duplicate this and drag it into the next column. That way, the reason I'm doing it that way is because it keeps my little lifted thing. If you saw me do that, sorry, I'm kind of cruising through this. Over here, you can go no style. I'm using lifted style too. Let's see, duplicate that, drag it over, delete, duplicate that, drag it over, delete. And you know what? I wonder if I want to put a title. Maybe I shouldn't have deleted that. Let me see how it looks. I guess I could have left that little text up there. I'm just going to say video 1, and then I can center it. Oh, where am I at? Center. Maybe change it to like a heading 5. Nah, I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, so basically, obviously I want to create a thumbnail for each video, and I think right now I have 12 videos done. So I'm going to just duplicate this whole column. Boom, boom. So now when someone comes here, they'll see all the, be different titles and everything, but little thumbnails, and they click on them, and they'll be able to view the video. So how I'm going to do that is I clicked on it. I'm going to hit Event Manager, Add Event, select the trigger. It's going to be when they click on it, and the action, I want it to open up a Thrive Lightbox. Select the Lightbox, Video 1. Animation Instant. Let's see. We'll just do Instant. Okay. Save Event. Close. So now I'll save the changes. I'm actually going to show you while that's saving the light boxes. See Thrive light boxes? I just created these. I basically created one and then I cloned it 6 times. Edit with Thrive Content Builder. All you do is it just shows whenever you create a new light box, it just gives you this little square. And all I did was add the video. If you notice, that's all that's in here. Like, because this was already here with a little X on it. I just added the video in it, and then I'm going to link it to the YouTube video that it is. But I still have to go through and do all those. I'm just going to close this. Let me go back to this. Oh, it's still saving. Okay, so let's preview this real quick just to kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. So when they come in, I'm probably going to set this on autoplay, and there'll obviously be, maybe I'll put a headline saying, watch the video below to see how, to use blah, blah, blah. And if you look, so this is going to be the list of all the little thumbnails, the videos, and it's going to be the title of it so they'll know what they're looking at. When they click on it, it'll open up a light box, and then they can play it. Pretty cool. And then you can either click the X or just click out here and it closes. And it'll do that for every one. Obviously, I haven't linked them all yet. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because like right now I have 12 to 16 videos I think done. But this video I'm recording right now is going to be one of them. How I set up the download page, and it's pretty easy. So you just go through and change stuff around, whatever you want to do. It really is just your taste, and I don't know if I like that color of the little. Let me see. So that does look kind of weird. I want to see what it looks going to look like in a phone. So if you take it and shrink it down. Yeah, see, that'll be good. So that'll be the video that plays. Then it'll be in order, say 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down. Okay, cool. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. And I hope this helps you out a little bit of how I, just kind of fumble around and create stuff as I go. But they really turn out good. Let me just throw this up here so I can get rolling on my headline on there. Congratulations. Watch the intro video to get a feel for feel for this download page. Yeah, maybe I will do heading 1 on that one. Okay, I'm going to make that closer. So I'm going to go margins and padding. Top is, we'll say, 10. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay, so, or I can put welcome to the download page. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you out a little bit. I'm going to go through and, change all these little thumbnails. You don't need to sit here and watch me do that for the next 20 minutes. I try to keep this video as short as possible. And, I mean, if you have any questions or anything, just send me a comment and I'll tell you exactly how I did whatever your question is. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.